How to extract audio from video in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video in CapCut for PC. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your PC and after that simply select create a new project. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply go ahead and click on import and after that simply import your video file. And here once you have added the video, just drag the video clip to the timeline, and here once you have added the video to the timeline, to extract the audio just click on the video clip in the timeline to select it, and after that right click on the clip, and once you do that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on the option labeled as Extract Audio. And after that, your audio will be separated from the video. And here you notice that the audio appears as separate track below the video in the timeline. And here with it, you can edit it, move it, delete it, or even export just the audio if you want. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.